Hey fitness fans, today we are exploring the Marcy Combo Home Gym Equipment, Model SM 4008, an all-in-one strength training station that combines a Smith Cage, adjustable bench, pulley system, and leg developer into one sleek package. Whether you are hitting squats, presses, pull-downs, or leg curls, this machine promises a full-body workout right in your garage. Key features and specifications. This powerhouse sports a heavy-duty steel frame with a durable powder coat finish and aircraft cables rated at 2,000 pounds tensile strength. It includes a removable, multi-position bench, adjustable safety stops on the press bar, a dual-function leg developer, and a bottom pulley for rows and pull-throughs. You also get cross pulleys, a pull-up bar, shiver bar, ankle strap, V-bar handle, and link chains for countless exercise variations. Price at $999.99 with free delivery. This Marcy Combo Gym sits in the premium home gym bracket, but its multi-station design could replace several single-purpose machines. Pros and cons. On the plus side, you get versatile full-body functionality, sturdy construction, and numerous attachments. On the flip side, expect a lengthy assembly, a hefty price tag, and a bulkier footprint that needs dedicated space. Customer reviews summary. With a 4.1 out of 5 stars average from 1,029 ratings, users laud its build quality, smooth cable action, and exercise variety. Detractors note the challenging setup, occasional bench wobble, and the necessity of a solid floor anchor for heavier lifts. Should you buy it or not? If you are serious about crafting a comprehensive, commercial-style gym at home and have the budget and space, the Marcy Combo SM 4008 is a stellar choice. But if you need something more compact, budget-friendly, or easier to assemble, you might explore smaller rack-only setups instead.